to use SHEIN group buying for extra discounts. So first of all, let's open our application, and in here let's select a particular item. Let's get into my cart and select this particular item and then tap on checkout. So when you do this, you cannot see a specific option that says group buying. So what you're gonna do is get into any sort of WhatsApp or Facebook group. We also have the option of SHEIN Facebook group. You can simply join in there, and in there you can connect with people, and if there are any sort of people around your area, what you can do is simply collect their item too. So for example, if I have a friend who is in the same area, what I can do is combine their item and my item, and what I can do is simply, for example, she wants this bag and I want this sandal, then I can select both of this option, then go along with the process of checkout, and this will obviously reduce our shipping fees, and like this we'll be able to buy group buying for extra discounts. And yeah, that's it.